Hello friends, welcome back. In previous lecture we have seen what is version control system and the types of version control systems. As I said, we are going to use Git as our version control system. In this lecture we are going to see how do we set up our Git environment. To demonstrate this Git course, I am going to use two users, that is developer 1 who is working on Windows system. Developer 1 is going to work on my laptop. I am going to install Git over here. Next, developer 2, we are going to create a Amazon Linux EC2 instance and will use it as a developer 2 so that you can understand how we can work with Git either on Windows or Linux system. So first let's start with installing Git on developer 1 system, nothing but on my laptop. This is my laptop where I should install Git. Now let's go to browser and search for Git to install on Windows. This is my browser, search for Git on Windows and you can see git-sem.com. This is the first link itself. Just click on this one and here you can see downloading Git. We can install Git for Windows. This is for 32-bit and this is for 64-bit. Our system is 64-bit, so I'm going to install 64-bit. It takes a while to get it downloaded. Let's wait. Okay, we have downloaded Git software. Let's install this one on our Windows. Just click on that one so that it is a exe. Anyway, we can install it. To install, we need a admin privileges. I have admin privileges, so let's go. And I'm going with the default settings itself. Nothing to change. And install. Okay, installation is completed. We don't require view release notes. We will just launch the Git bash. So if we launch it, it is going to open the Git bash. Okay, this is my Git bash. And if I increase the font size, you can see I'm a Veloxy user. This we called it as a Git bash prompt. We can execute our Linux commands on Windows by using this one. Even I can do ls cd cat. So this is how we can install Git on Windows system. In next video, we are going to see how to set up Git on Linux system. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.